Alright, I'm here to put lotion in Sam Hain's hair. He gets hair all nice. Whose hair's always nice?
Right.
When's what done? Oh.
You got a long way. You can ride away for a while.
Here, can you hold the camera a minute? Oh, thank you. I just gotta get this lotion.
Let me make sure it's still recording.
Alright. Am I holding it? This was didn't want you to have a dry scalp. Yay! Yay! It's good.
Remember I told you don't need no room and you don't have to. You got enough room to ride your bike around. Remember I told you? Yeah.
At first we know you're it's normal to be scared.
I rode in the basement. I rode around in the basement of the bike. The blue one.
That's a little one. Was it a blue one?
Yeah, the blue one they got from someplace.
I got it from this place that this is.
I'm very proud of you.
Yay! Sorry, that's all the lotion I can get out of there.
Okay.
Can I brush it?
I'm going to.
Okay. This other bottle is conditioner.
Nothing high.
Where did I put that? You can.
Leave it alone.
Well, I got some of this lotion. I don't think you want two different smells in your hair, do you?
Did you brush it?
Just a minute, I'm trying to see where I put it. I found it, yeah.
They ain't gonna last long because kids will come in and pull my hair.
Huh?
Kids will come around and pull my hair and then mess up again.
Oh, sorry. It hurt? It don't hurt? Oh, okay. Which it? So Tate's gonna mess with your hair.
Yeah.
Still a long time.
So wow.
Still, it's taking forever. Daddy, this is a game that. Daddy, is this a real game?
Mhm.
It's Get the Metal 5?
Mhm.
It's mine that feel bad.
Nico, slow down.
Can we floss it or no?
No.
Want floss?
Hi, Daddy.
No, I want floss.
You don't want it floss?
No.
Daddy.
You don't want it floss? Okay.
Daddy.
You want it straight? You want it
Daddy.
straight?
Daddy.
Just come like you don't want to
Daddy,
flip?
Daddy's hair's all down.
No, it ain't nice.
It feels fluffy. Daddy, your hair feels fluffy.
It does.
You know, Mommy did Daddy's hair too at a point in time, didn't she?
Mhm.
Put it in a ponytail.
No, D, don't, cause I wanna, no, D, cause I wanna, brush it out and then shine the camera on it.
Daddy, did you have a bun before?
No, never happened. Buns for girls.
Alright.
Boys can have ponytails? I'll give you, when you go on last here, I'll give you a big, it has teeth that long. Sour Patch Kids.
No. Go this way. Don't worry about it.
No, it's taking forever to load.
Oh, I did his hair too.
Why is it taking
I did his hair.
Hello.
Look how nice it is.
It's a long while. Well, not really.
Why?
Okay.
Okay.
It's taking so long.
Alright, I did his hair. I'll end this video.
Take control of our own.
See you later.